Have you ever been stuck at an airport with a suitcase that just betrayed you at the worst possible moment? Today we're exposing 12 pieces of luggage that look amazing online but will absolutely ruin your travel experience. I've done the research so you don't have to learn these lessons the hard way. Before we dive into this luggage nightmare list, let me tell you why this matters. Bad luggage doesn't just inconvenience you. It can destroy your clothes, cost you hundreds in replacement fees, and turn your dream vacation into a stress-filled disaster. The worst part? These problematic suitcases often have thousands of positive reviews that are either fake or from people who haven't traveled enough to spot the red flags. Let's start with the infamous spinner wheels that seem like a great idea until they're not. Many budget suitcases feature wheels that look identical to premium brands, but here's what manufacturers won't tell you. These wheels use cheap plastic bearings that seize up after just a few trips. I'm talking about wheels that literally fall off mid-journey, leaving you dragging a three-wheeled disaster through Terminal C. The worst offenders use wheels that can't handle anything beyond perfectly smooth surfaces, which is basically nowhere in real airports. Moving on to zippers, and this is where things get really frustrating. You'll find suitcases with zippers that jam, break, or worse, separate completely while your bag is being handled. The problem isn't always obvious at first glance. Some zippers feel smooth in the store but use teeth that don't align properly under stress. Others feature pulls that snap off with minimal force. I've seen travelers trying to hold their suitcase together with airport security tape because the zipper failed completely. Telescoping handles present another major headache. Budget luggage often features handles that stick halfway extended, refuse to retract, or wobble so badly they're unusable. The internal mechanisms are frequently made with plastic components that wear down rapidly. Some handles actually detach from the suitcase body entirely, which is particularly fun when you're running to catch a connecting flight. Hard shell luggage might seem more durable, but many budget options use materials that crack under normal handling. We're not talking about extreme abuse here. Regular baggage handler treatment is enough to spiderweb these cases. The corners are especially vulnerable, and once cracked, these suitcases often fail catastrophically, splitting open and spilling contents everywhere. Soft-sided luggage has its own set of problems. Many feature fabric that tears easily, especially around stress points like handles and wheels. The worst examples use materials that look sturdy, but haven't been properly tested for abrasion resistance. After a few trips, you'll notice fraying, holes, or complete separation of seams. Internal organization sounds great in theory, but poorly designed compartments can actually make packing harder. Some suitcases have dividers that take up so much space, they defeat the purpose of having a larger bag. Others feature pockets with zippers that snag on clothing or compartments that collapse under weight. Size inconsistencies are incredibly common with budget luggage. A suitcase marketed as carry-on compliant might actually exceed airline restrictions by crucial inches. This means unexpected gate check fees and the stress of hoping your bag makes it to your destination. Always verify dimensions independently, because marketing claims are often inaccurate. Weight distribution problems plague many budget options. Poorly balanced suitcases tip over constantly, making them exhausting to maneuver. Some have centers of gravity so off that they fall over when you stop walking. Others have wheels positioned incorrectly, creating drag that makes rolling nearly impossible. Security features often fail when you need them most. Combination locks that reset themselves randomly, TSA locks that jam permanently, or zippers that can be opened with a ballpoint pen all create security nightmares. Some locks are so poorly made they can be opened by accident through normal handling. Handle ergonomics matter more than most people realize. Uncomfortable handles cause hand fatigue, blisters, or cramping during extended use. Some handles are positioned at awkward angles that force you to walk in unnatural positions. Others have sharp edges or rough textures that make carrying painful. Warranty claims on problematic luggage often lead to additional frustration. Many budget brands make warranty replacement nearly impossible through complicated procedures, required proof of purchase that's unrealistic to maintain, or customer service that simply ignores claims entirely. The hidden costs of cheap luggage extend beyond the initial purchase. replacement fees when airlines damage defective bags, emergency luggage purchases during trips, and the stress of dealing with failures far from home all add up to much more than investing in quality luggage upfront. Before buying any luggage, research the manufacturer's track record, check independent review sites beyond the retailer's website, and consider renting quality luggage for important trips if you're unsure about your current bags. Look for luggage from established brands with comprehensive warranties, metal components in critical areas, and designs that have been tested in real-world conditions. Your luggage choice can make or break your travel experience. Don't let flashy marketing or attractive prices tempt you into buying something that will fail when you need it most. Invest in reliable luggage from reputable manufacturers, and your future traveling self will thank you when everything works exactly as it should.